very good balance of business-to-business one-on-one meetings, networking events and dinners. I think that the mixture is excellent, and the people actually enjoyed all parts of the program.
The quality of hosted buyers was best ever, and these hosted buyers were handpicked with care, and I must say that they really expressed their interest for Croatia as destination.
What I've experienced here for the last 2 days was really remarkable. The event was organized perfectly. We had a lot of meetings with numerous high-quality clients here in Zagreb.